Welcome to PI Industries. PI is one of the leading agrochemical companies in India. For more than 50 years, PI has been an integral part of the life of millions of Indian farmers, providing them solutions to improve their productivity, save their crops from pests, weeds and diseases to enhance their prosperity. Crop damage from the insects or pests is one of the major problems faced by the agricultural community around the world. These insects or pests affect the crop production, both qualitatively and quantitatively. This is a fact, especially in the crop production industry in India. Lush green fields give immense happiness and pleasure to the farmers. But soon, this happiness turns into a deep sadness due to numerous insects or pests hidden behind the greenery. By the time the farmer is able to notice the presence of these insects or pests, they have already affected the crop with severe and irrevocable damage to the crops. Taking all the problems in consideration, a highly skilled research team and scientists of PI Industries have come up with a highly effective pest control solution. Presenting Osheen, an innovative chemistry from Japan, the land of the rising sun. A proprietary product of Mitsui Chemicals Japan, brought to India for the first time by PI Industries Limited. PI Industries, a trusted brand that has helped farmers to create farm wealth for the last 50 years. Our products and quality have helped millions of farmers to save their crops and help earn higher incomes. We at PI believe that Osheen will change the life of millions of Indian farmers growing rice, cotton, vegetables and fruits. To identify the target pests, dosages, timings and method of application, scientists at PI have conducted thousands of experiments on various crops. With the leading agricultural universities and research institutes in India, Osheen is the real change agent, protector, because Osheen exhibits broad insecticidal spectrum. Osheen is effective on sucking insects such as aphids, leaf hoppers, brown plant hoppers, green hoppers, mango hoppers, thrips, white flies and mealybugs. Osheen is highly systemic and exhibit translaminar action. Osheen is readily absorbed through the plant foliage. It quickly moves to all parts of the plant, controlling insects present on upper surface of leaf, lower surface of leaf, hiding inside the plant foliage and even at the plant base. Osheen has fast knockdown effect. Osheen acts through contact and ingestion at the nervous system of the target insects. This results in the cessation of feeding within hours of contact and death shortly after. Target insects which feed on Osheen get paralyzed and die within 24 to 48 hours. Osheen has long duration of control. Due to its excellent activity and long residual action, Osheen protects the crops from 10 to 25 days depending upon the pest pressure, environmental conditions and other factors. Osheen exhibits rain fastness. Osheen works very well even if rainfall happens after 3 hours of Osheen application. Osheen is very safe to crops, environment and predatory mites. Osheen has a new and unique chemical structure. Osheen is third generation neonicotinoid compound. Osheen contains tetrahydrofuryl group and has no halogen in it, which makes it chemically unique among the neonicotinoids. This unique structure enables Osheen work effectively on the insects. Let's see how Osheen effectively controls hoppers in rice. Rice is infested by hoppers, that is brown plant hopper, white-backed brown plant hoppers and green leaf hoppers, of which brown plant hoppers are among the most damaging pests in rice crop. The nymphs and adults of plant hoppers suck the sap of the leaf blades and leaf sheaths, which initially appears as the yellowing of the plants. When hopper population increases to 400 to 500 nymphs per plant or 200 adults per plant, hopper burn or complete drying of the plant is observed. If not controlled in time, the hoppers can cause 100% yield losses in rice. Brown plant hoppers also transmit ragged stunt and grassy stunt viruses. Hoppers may have 2 to 5 generations in one crop of rice. Hence, immediate and long duration of control is required to avoid any crop loss. In the various field experiments, scientists and farmers have observed Osheen as the best product to control the plant hoppers in rice. Osheen is highly effective at 80 grams per acre to control hoppers in rice. Due to this fast control of Osheen on BPH and WBPH, the Osheen treated rice crop looks healthier and greener than the buprofezine treated crop after 10 days of spray. Due to the systemic action of Osheen, the buildup of BPH population is very slow, and the population remained below economic threshold level, ETL, even after 20 days of application as against buprofezine. Osheen has a great potential in providing solution to the farmers by effectively controlling many economically important pests such as aphids, leaf hoppers, brown plant hoppers, green hoppers, mango hoppers, thrips, white flies and mealybugs in rice, cotton, okra, chilies, tomato, brinjal, mango and other important crops. Osheen, the novel insecticide, is widely accepted in Asian countries including Japan, Korea, Taiwan, Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, Malaysia, Myanmar and many more. Osheen, third generation neonicotinoid compound, which is similar to nicotine found naturally in tobacco. Therefore, it is very low toxic to humans, mammals, birds, fish and the environment. Osheen has almost no efficacy on predatory mites, hence resurgence possibility is very low. Because of its unique structure, Osheen is suitable for IPM package. If used as per the recommendations, Osheen does not leave any residue in soils, water and the crop harvests. Osheen, a novel compound introduced in India by PI Industries, is going to change the life of Indian farmers. Osheen gives very efficient, fast action and long duration control on the wide spectrum of highly problematic insects, pests in most of the economically important crops. Osheen also effectively controls many insects which have developed resistance for neonicotinoids and organophosphate compounds. Osheen is safe to the crops, environment and predatory mites. Osheen is a true friend of farmers. Osheen, a high quality product from PI Industries.